What is up, guys? Lo-Fi Gaming back at it again today. I'm gonna be showing you how to reset your Nintendo DSi. So this is just for the DSi systems. This is a DSi XL, but it's basically the same as a Nintendo DSi. So first, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to your system settings. Let it load. You want to go to all the way to page 4. Let me take out the stylus. So you want to go to page 4. Format system memory. Format. And unless you're doing this at an accident, they change it. So format, no. So you don't accidentally format your whole system memory. So you have to put it over here while it says format. I don't have anything important on here. No game saves, no nothing. So it is formatting the Nintendo DS. Formatting, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so it turned off, and now your system memory is formatted. Hope you guys liked this. This was Lo-Fi Gaming, and next on next video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Nintendo DSi. Hope you guys loved this. This was Lo-Fi Gaming. I'm out.